showing you how you can make galaxy slime. It's actually super satisfying to make and especially stunning to look at. So let's go! For galaxy slime, we'll need to prepare enough clear slime for 5 different colors. First up, we'll mix in 2 bottles of clear glue with a jug of warm water. Then activate the slime. Guys, remember not to add too much, otherwise the slime will get too hard. Next, massage the slime to get a consistent squishy texture. Take a bit of the clear slime, and for the first color, we'll need to add blue coloring. The second slime will be an obsidian color. To get this, we'll need blue and purple coloring. The third slime is a midnight blue color. For this, we'll mix half of the blue and obsidian slime to get this stunning color. The fourth slime is a ruby color. We'll need to mix pink coloring into our clear slime. Then mix in purple coloring. The last slime we'll need is just the clear slime itself. Store all the slimes away for 3 days to let it clear up. Then it's time to piece together this masterpiece. Layer the clear slime like this, making sure that the lightest colors stay at the bottom and the darkest at the top. To make this slime even more magical, sprinkle layers of white glitter and cute tiny stars. How magical does this look? It's so satisfying to look at. After letting it rest for a while, take it out of the container and start squishing. Guys, it hurts to destroy this artwork, but oh well, we do it for the aesthetic. Let's add some more glitter. Now guys, if the galaxy did a poop, this is what that poop would look like. It's beautiful. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this slime. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget we post 3 videos every week on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!